Hey everyone, is your credit score not where you would like it to be? I'm Rachel Bodner from Coldwell Banker and realestateofmass.com, and I'm here to give you 7 tips on increasing your credit score. Number 1, and the most important, always pay your bills on time. Number 2, keep your credit card balances low. Number 3, try to get rid of debt faster. That means try to pay off your debt faster than the allotted time given. For example, if they give you 2 years to pay off your car, pay it off sooner. Number 4, do not close your current accounts or open any new ones. Number 5, order a free credit report from www.annualcreditreport.com and dispute any errors. Number 6, know your FICO score. And number 7, keep your debt to credit ratio less than 30%. All of these combined are sure to help improve your credit score. Again, I'm Rachel Bodner from Coldwell Banker and realestateofmass.com. Have a great home buying and selling day.